Good morning, class. You should be finished writing your idea of what the term doubles mean. I will give you the definition of the term double, and you can write that down in your journal under the definition that you had written previously. The term double means twice as much in size, number, or value. The term doubles means twice as much in size, number, or value. Today, we are going to learn how to multiply numbers by the factor 2. So every number that we multiply today will be multiplied by 2. So we will double every number because we are already aware that multiplication is repeated addition. It is multiplying the same number over and over again. So, let's jump in and look at the problem. 2 times 3. And we just talked about repeated addition, so let's write it down to show what 2 times 3 is. 2 times 3. So that means we would have 2 plus 2 plus 2, correct? So this is our repeated addition problem of 2 times 3. And we know that 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals what? 6. Good. So 2 times 3 is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2. It equals 6. Now let's go ahead and do another problem, and this time we're going to draw out our picture. Let's look at 2 times 4. So if we look at 2 times 4, we know that this problem is saying that we will have 2 equal sets of 4. 2 times 4 means we have 2 equal sets of 4. So, if we are to draw that, and I want you to copy down what I'm putting up here in your notes as well, so you'll be able to refer back to it when you do your independent practice, okay? So, we have 2 equal sets of 4. So, what we'll do is we'll draw 2 circles, and that represents our first number, 2, right? So, we have 2, we're going to have 2 sets. 2 equal sets of 4, and there will be 4 in each set. So what we'll do is we'll just draw a triangle, 4 triangles in each set. Okay? So we have 4 triangles. We have 2 equal sets of 4. And let's count our triangles to see the answer to the problem 2 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, that tells us that 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Right? This is how your example should look in your notes. Let's try another problem. Let's try 2 times 5. And this time we're going to have, how many sets will we have? Equal sets will we have? 2. Good. So this problem is saying that we have 2 equal sets, and how many will be in each set? Who knows? 5. Good. So 2 times 5 tells us that we will have 2 equal sets of 5. So that means we're going to draw 2 circles. And this time I'm going to show you what you'll need to do when you get into groups. So each group will have a container of Cheerios. And what I want you to do is you'll work out the problems, and you'll draw the circles and put Cheerios to represent the amount in each set. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. So we're going to have 2 equal sets, and there'll be 5 in each set. So we're going to count out our Cheerios. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 5 Cheerios in each set, and let's count our Cheerios to see what 2 times 5 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our answer is 10. So 2 times 5 equals 10. So let's do one more to make sure everyone has a clear understanding of what you will do when you get into your groups. Because you and a partner will solve multiplication problems with the factor 2. Let's try one more together. Let's look at 2 times 7. 2 times 7. So that means that we have how many equal sets? We'll have 2 equal sets, and how many will be in each set? 7. Very good. So we will draw 2 circles, and we will place how many Cheerios in each circle? 7. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count our Cheerios to figure out what 2 times 7 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 equal sets of 7 equals 14. Now there is something that we need to review before you get into your groups. Last class period we talked about commutative property. And so, who can remember what commutative property means? Good. So, let's do an example. If we are practicing commutative property, we just did the problem 2 times 7 equals 14. So let's try 7 times 2. So that means that we're going to have how many sets? 7 equal sets with 2 in each set. So we'll draw 7 circles. That's how many circles you should have on your paper. And there are 2 in each set. 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. So what do you know? 2 times 7 is the same as 7 times 2. So you will have problems when you get into your groups that will also look like this. 2 will not always be the first number. They will be reversed, but they are the same. And I want you to make sure that you draw your circles and use your Cheerios to come up with your answers. I will be monitoring the room. If you have any questions, please let me know. You may get started.